Hello all, welcome to ArcSight Default Content series, Episode 1, Detect the Known Threats Using Default Content. So what is default content here? It's a vast set of resources to monitor and detect attacks, and it is built in accordance with MITRE ATT&CK framework techniques. The advanced, multidimensional and flexible real-time correlation engine of ArcSight powers intelligent rules and dashboards that can proactively detect threats in near real time. So what is MITRE ATT&CK framework? It is a knowledge base of adversary tactics and techniques based on real-world observations. It is used as a foundation for the development of specific threat models and methodologies. What is covered as part of ArcSight Default Content? The MITRE Layered Analytics page of OpenText has information on the MITRE techniques that are covered as part of ArcSight Default Content. I'm going to be showing some of the useful resources for ArcSight Default Content. The first is OpenText Marketplace link from where you can download the ESM default content. All the latest releases can be found under the release link in the marketplace. There are two packages for ArcSight Default Content: the Security Threat Monitoring and the Threat Intelligence Platform. The next is the MITRE Layered Analytics page of OpenText, where you can see the coverage of MITRE content in ArcSight Default Content. In this page, all the techniques that have been covered as part of ArcSight Default Content is highlighted with the color black. When you click on a particular technique, suppose, you will be able to find the link of the corresponding package where you can download. The next is the ArcSight documentation page, which contains all the documents related to ArcSight. In this page, under ArcSight Security Content, you will be able to find the content and related information for the default content. The ArcSight Real-Time Detection Content Matrix contains the list of all resources covered in the ArcSight Default Content. The Security Threat Monitoring page contains a table which contains the rules, tactic, the technique ID, and some description, and also the data sources and the URL. Suppose, for example, I take a member was added and removed from privileged group within 24 hours. This is the name of the rule. And the corresponding tactic is persistence. The technique is account manipulation. And if you want to find out what are the data sources here, it is Microsoft Windows Security Auditing Event IDs 4729, 4733, and 4757. And it is present under the Entity Monitoring folder in the default content. The same information can be found under Threat Intelligence Platform as well. So those are some of the useful resources. Thank you all. See you in the next video.